Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the developer options in this device. To enable developer options, go to settings and scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option about phone. Tap on this one, then tap on this here. Tap on this one. So tap on 7 times on the build number to enable developer options. So in case if you set any screen password, then you have to enter the password here. Otherwise, don't need this step. Now you can see you are now a developer. Now go back to your settings. Tap on system. Then scroll down. Here you can see the option developer options. Now the developer options is enabled in this device. Okay, so you can easily enable or disable any options under this developer options. So simply in this way you can enable the developer options in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.